Are you missing the app lock feature in your Android Messenger app? It can be frustrating when this privacy option disappears, especially if you rely on it for added security. But don't worry, I've got some simple fixes to help you restore the app lock feature and get your privacy settings back on track. Let's dive into the solutions. Solution 1. Update Messenger. Ensure your Messenger app is up to date. An outdated version may not have the latest features. For this, open the Play Store, switch to the search panel. Now search for Messenger. If there are any updates available, click on it. The latest Messenger version should get your app locked back. Go back to your Messenger app to check. If it's still not available, move to the next solution. Solution 2. Clear Messenger data and allow permissions. If Messenger data is corrupted, you might not find the lock option. To fix this, go to your settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Scroll down again and find Messenger. Click on it and look for Storage. Now click on Clear Data. This will reset all your Messenger data, but will fix any glitches. But to make sure, go back. Scroll up, give Messenger app all the permissions listed here. After that is done, go back to your Messenger app. Hopefully this time the app lock option will be back. But if none of these solutions work and you suspect a deeper issue, you can perform a factory reset to fix it. A reset usually solves most app-related problems. But be aware that this will erase all your data. So if you don't want to do that, avoid following this method. Now before doing so, make sure to back up your data somewhere. Then go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on General Management. Now tap on Reset. Here, you will find the option Factory Data Reset. Clicking this will reset everything on your phone and fix any issues permanently. So, these are the solutions that can help you resolve the app lock missing issue on your Messenger app. If you found them helpful, be sure to give the video a like and subscribe for more Android app solutions. But if you're still facing problems, let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.